Are your texts not sending on Cricket Wireless? Let's diagnose the problem. First is SMS or RCS. SMS issues often stem from signal problems. MMS needs a good data connection, so APN settings are key. RCS requires compatible devices and enabled settings. Start with basic checks: signal strength, device restart, and clearing your messaging app's cache. Ensure mobile data is enabled. For SMS, poor signal strength or carrier throttling could be the culprit. For MMS, continue to the next segment on APN settings. If using RCS, ensure it's enabled in your messaging app's settings. MMS problems frequently arise from incorrect APN settings. To fix this, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Advanced, Access Point Names. Add or edit the APN with these details: name, Cricket APN NDO, MMSC, mmsc.aiwireless.net. After updating APN settings, restart your device and try sending an MMS again. If problems persist, contact Cricket support for SIM reactivation, especially after SIM swaps. In some cases, network outages can cause widespread issues. Check Cricket's outage map and consider using RCS over Wi-Fi as a temporary workaround. For further troubleshooting, consider automated troubleshooters through Cricket's website or app.